Desert ecosystem. Desert means region or places where the average annual rainfall rarely goes beyond 10 inches every year, and the amount of water gained by precipitation is much less than the amount of water lost due to evaporation are called deserts. Antarctica is an example of cold desert, similar to hot deserts such as Sahara, Mojave, etc. The common and most notable point of distinction between these two types of deserts is precipitation, which is rainfall in hot deserts and snowfall in cold deserts. Life exists in very severe and difficult conditions like deserts, even though it may seem to be a barren land without any form of life. There are various species of plants and animals that have adjusted to these apparently ill suited weather conditions. Climate is a determining element for the survival of different life forms in these types of ecosystem. The maximum temperatures in deserts can range from 150 Fahrenheit in daytime to 32 Fahrenheit at nighttime. It is indeed remarkable to know that there are still several species of plants and animals that have not only adapted to these conditions through the years but also have become a significant part of this ecosystem. Characteristics of desert ecosystem. The features of the desert ecosystem are 1. Rainfall and climate. The climatic conditions in a desert tend to be hot and dry. This is because the desert comes under the tropical biome which receives direct sunlight. There is a slight variation in the amount of rainfall in desert areas around the world, but the average rainfall received is approximately 1 inch annually. 2. Animal life. Though the conditions prevalent are hot and dry, there is a plethora of animal life which can be seen thriving in the desert ecosystem. There are large varieties of lizards, rats, owls, tortoises, cats, etc. Most of them have adapted to the extreme desert conditions in order to survive. 3. Plant life. The desert ecosystem also supports many plant life forms. The two most commonly seen are the ocotillo, it is a flowering plant, and the saguaro cactus. These plants have shallow roots but spread over a large distance. 4. Geographic features. The geographical features of the desert ecosystem mainly include sand, rocks, and gravel. There is a certain hill-like pattern that can be seen in the sand dunes, but the land is generally flat. Deserts also have water bodies called oases. 5. Soil. The kind of soil present in an ecosystem describes the type of plants and animals that can survive in that region. Desert soil types can be many, but they all have excessive drainage. Therefore, whenever rain falls, it quickly seeps into the soil. 6. Light. The desert ecosystem does not have many shade-giving plants. The bulk of the sunlight, therefore, falls relentlessly on the desert surface. This, therefore, restricts the kind of flora and fauna that can sustain in the ecosystem. Only those that adapt well can survive in this harsh environment. 7. Temperature. The temperature in the desert areas also fluctuate to a large extent. The desert may be very hot during the day and may drop to freezing temperature at night. The lack of moisture gives rise to an environment that lacks both cloud cover and humidity. Structure of desert ecosystem. The desert ecosystem has two parts, one abiotic component and two biotic component. 1. Abiotic component. These comprise of the soil and the air present in the ecosystem. The main features of the abiotic component of the desert ecosystem are the deficiency of organic matter and the shortage of water. The temperature that prevails in the desert ecosystem is extremely high at day and low at night. Also, there is a shortage of adequate rainfall. 2. Biotic component. The biotic components of the desert ecosystem exists at three levels. 1. Producer organisms, 2. Consumers, and 3. Decomposers. 1. Producer organisms. The producers in the desert ecosystem are basically the shrubs and bushes, along with some types of grasses and trees. The roots of the shrubs are spread over a large area. The leaves, branches, etc. of the shrubs are modified to adapt to the particular needs of the desert ecosystem. The ecosystem is dominated by the ubiquitous cactus, but there can also be the presence of low-level plants like lichens and xerophytic mosses. The cactus can be of many types. Desert plants can also be quite varied. They can have thorns or also have beautiful flowers. Some types of cactus can also be poisonous. These plants have adapted themselves to the harsh conditions of the desert ecosystem and can withstand even the most stringent living conditions. 2. Consumers. Consumers in the ecosystem may consist of insects and reptiles. They can also include rats and other creatures of the rodent family, birds, and several other mammals. They are categorized as A. Desert insects and arachnids. B. Desert reptiles. C. Desert birds. D. Desert mammals. A. Desert insects and arachnids. The desert ecosystem is home to many types of insects. Among them, locusts are the most common and dreaded. They manifest themselves as pests and can consume large tracts of agriculture in a single day. Some local swarms are also as large as small towns and can thus cause a lot of havoc. However, there are also some useful insects in this ecosystem. The yucca moth is one such example of an insect. This moth helps in pollination. There are also many ant species in the desert. The harvester ants is one such variety which gathers seeds and stores them so that they can be used when the weather turns dry. The desert is also home to arachnids. This family includes both spiders and scorpions. B. Desert reptiles. The reptiles are a unique members of the desert ecosystem. The reptiles have the advantage that they can adjust to extreme temperatures of the desert ecosystem because they can regulate the temperatures of their bodies. The two main members of the desert family, snakes and lizards. The rattlesnake is a deadly member of the snake family. The other types of snakes are cobras, hognose, and the king snake. Lizards are also a main part of the reptile family and have interesting traits. They can camouflage themselves by changing their color similar to their surroundings. C. Desert birds. The birds have also evolved in the desert ecosystem. The sand grouse is a type of bird that has special feathers that can soak the water. It can then carry this water to this offspring. The other types of birds that can be seen are the gila woodpecker and the road runner. D. Desert mammals. The camel is the most famous desert mammal. The camel plays a great role in helping the people to survive in the desert ecosystem. The desert mammals tend to burrow in the desert sand. They do this to escape the desert day when the temperature can rise a great deal. There are, however, some mammals like the kangaroo which do not burrow in the sand. The kangaroo and the spiny anteater are both found in the Australian desert ecosystem. The spiny anteater also lays eggs, which makes it a unique mammal. The desert also has foxes and jackals. 3. Decomposers. The decomposers are less in the desert ecosystem because very little decomposition takes place in the desert environment. The most common decomposers are bacteria and fungi. Functions of desert ecosystem. 1. They extend the conditions for a certain type of life and thus support them. The ecosystem can sustain various species of beetles, scorpions, lizards, snakes, etc. These organisms have developed certain traits which allow them to survive in the harsh conditions of the desert. 2. The desert ecosystem also gives birth to conditions which sustain certain types of plants like cacti, acacia, grasses, etc. 3. The desert ecosystem also performs the function of filtration. It helps in the spread of aerobic bacteria. The sand also acts as a good insulator and reflector of radiation which emanates from the sun. 4. The desert also has a large reservoir of natural resources. The color of the desert also indicates the kind of mineral that it contains. The red color of the desert is due to the presence of laterite. Next is types of desert ecosystem. Desert ecosystems can be of different types and also have varied characteristics. The main types of desert ecosystems are 1. Hot and dry deserts, 2. Semi-arid deserts, 3. Coastal deserts, 4. Cold deserts, 5. Monsoon deserts, 6. Polar deserts. 1. Hot and dry deserts. These deserts remain hot the whole year with a high range of temperature because of the conditions of low humidity. In these deserts, short and intense storms are common to occur. The main types of fauna that can be seen are burrowing mammals, insects, and various types of reptiles. Examples of this type of desert are the Great Sandy Desert of Australia, the Sahara Desert of North Africa, Sonoran Desert of Arizona, and northwestern Mexico. 2. Semi-arid deserts. These are semi-arid in nature. Examples are the Great Basin of Nevada. They tend to have long summers and rainfall during the winters. The quantity of dew in this ecosystem is more than rainfall. The soil tends to be sandy and rocky and has caliche, which are deposits of calcium carbonate. 3. Coastal deserts. These can be seen in the coastal areas of the Pacific coast. They are characterized by long summers and short periods of the cold season. The rainfall can be as much as 13 centimeters in a year. They can have large animals in their ecosystem like amphibians, owls, eagles, etc. 4. Coastal deserts. They can be seen in places like Greenland. They have long winters and very short summers. The soil is not fertile and has excessive salty and alluvial silt. The fauna comprises of burrowing mammals, lizards, and foxes. 5. Monsoon deserts. Monsoons comes in these types of deserts because of the sudden and huge differences in temperature between the continents and the oceans. The monsoon affects parts of India like the coastal areas. Examples of monsoon deserts can be the Aravalli Range, the Thar Desert in India and Pakistan. 6. Polar deserts. The average rainfall in polar deserts is less than 250 millimeters in a year. The average temperature is less than 10 degrees centigrade. Polar deserts approximately cover 5 million square kilometers area across the globe. These deserts have snow dunes instead of sand dunes. In summertime, butterflies and beetles can be found here, while some of the larger animals that exist in these deserts include rabbits, hares, foxes, wolves, polar bears, etc. Thank you.